Guys, we're out here at Boone Woods in northern Kentucky. Today we're going to be comparing the Dynasty to the Undertaker to the Vandal. All have the same numbers. See how they fly. I'm going to throw this Dynasty first. This is what I bag. The basket is about 320 down there. A little more nose up, but not as much flip. Then we got so that was nose up too, but it still flipped. I think that Dynasty and the Vandal are kind of similar, and the Undertaker is a little more overstable. It is in Z swirl and it's relatively new. The best fairway is going to be this Dynasty down here. Inside the circle, it's in the woods. I put a move on that one. That was standing. Alright, so this is actually like target practice. I'm trying to hit these trees. Not really hitting my line, but that one's gone forever. Let the crosswind take it. Came back at the end. So you can see the stability there. Try and throw it out left, because if that crosswind gets under the fight plate, it's just gonna carry it right. So I'm thinking the closest is gonna be the Vandal. It's definitely probably just inside C2 here. The other two just flipped up and over. This one didn't want to flip up because of the wind. Alright, this is gonna be the last hole we film out here. Can't see the baskets on the other side of this hill. You see the big trees. The rightmost tall tree that's straight under that one. Says it plays like 290. And to see how well these do in getting there. Alright, well that wind just immediately turned it. That was a good fight. Struggle with getting it at the right angle to stay on that hill and not be nose up. To be above the hill and not nose up. Alright, so I'm not really sure which one ended up being the best. We got the Vandal here, skipping off the hill. It's right here. And then if we walk over here, I did throw the Dynasty over here, but this isn't where it landed, because you saw where it landed. We've got the Undertaker here, and it looks like they're about the same distance. I don't know, you guys can be the judge, but I'm gonna say that they tied on this hole. At the end, we're just gonna go over like profile and then how I think they fly. This Dynasty is honestly pretty flat. This is the one I bag. I think this one is the most straight out of the bunch. If you punch on some highs, it's gonna flip up. If you hit it here, it's gonna get a little drift. The most stable, I would say, out of this bunch is Z swirl Undertaker. What I noticed yesterday is that I feel like the Undertaker has the rim feels really small to me, which doesn't make sense because I normally thought that
the rim kind of correlated to speed, but I know some are slightly different. This one is Z-swirl, so it's slightly more overstable. And then I have no idea how dynamic disc plastic works at all, but I thought the Vandal was the flippiest. Feels like this one particularly has a little flashing under it. I don't know if that's how all dynamic discs are. This is the only one I've ever thrown. But I think this is the flippiest of the bunch. Pretty dummy. And thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.